So, very good morning. You all have written birthdays of your family members.
Yes. Yes.
And what about question number 20? That we did in the class?
Yes.
Question number 20.
Yes.
Or did I tell you to do as a homework? Question number 20 I am asking, dear. 20.
And we did.
We did in the class?
Yes.
Last question also, question D also?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, any doubt is there in question number 20?
No.
Okay. So, my dear children, you can close your workbook. Close your workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
We are going to discuss about leap year. Please mute your audios also. Please mute your audios. Everybody. Mute yourself. Otherwise, if I am muting you, I can't ask you questions. Every time I want to unmute you. So please keep your audio muted. Okay. Now, we have learned leap year. Leap year, let it be there. In an ordinary year, Naila, in an ordinary year, how many days are there? In an ordinary year, how many days are there? Days. In an ordinary year, how many days are there? Naila, please unmute. Yes, unmute here. Do you know answer? If you don't know, also please unmute. Do you know?
No.
Okay. Who knows? Yes, Agna. How many days are there? Unmute.
365.
Is this Agna? Arav?
No.
Tomorrow onwards, I will call you Agna.
Ma'am.
Okay. Agna, how many days are there?
Ma'am, that is Adam. Once more the question.
In a ordinary year, how many days are there?
31.
Sorry. How many?
31.
I'm not asking in a month. I'm asking in a year. In a year, there are 12 months. Yes, Arav, you can. Unmute and say.
365.
Yes, 365 days are there. So, in an ordinary year, 365 days are there. But in a leap year, how many days are there? Who all knows? Please raise your hand. Ayan? Ayan, Kisaji, please unmute. How many days? Sorry, your voice is breaking, dear.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Yes, Andrea. Yes, Andrea.
66.
Yes. In a leap year, 1 year is extra than an ordinary year. That means 366 days are there in a leap year.
Leap year.
So, now we have to check how this extra day is coming. My dear little ones, the earth is revolving around the sun. The earth is revolving around the sun. Okay, like this. To complete one round, the earth takes 365 days and 6 hours. 365 days and 6 hours. This, we know, for an ordinary year, we only will calculate 365 days. 365 days. 365 days. So this 6 hours is extra. Am I correct?
Yes.
The earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one round around the sun. But we only take 365 days as an year. For a normal year, ordinary year. So this 6 hours is extra. When like this 6 hours remaining 4 times 6 into 4 or 4 into 6. How many hours will be there? If 4 years happens like this, 6 hours extra, 6 hours extra like that happens. 4 times happens. 4 into 6 hours will be there. So 4 into 6 hours, how much? 24 hours. 24 hours means how many days? 1 day. 24 hours means 1 day. This 1 day is put on to February month to get a leap year. That's why in a leap year, 366 days are there. So when 4 months happens, this 6 hours remaining like this, these 6 hours are put on, added 4 times to get a leap year. To get an extra day, that makes a year leap year. In a leap year, 29 days will be there in February month. Total 366 days will be there. That is why we are getting leap year once in 4 years. Once in 4 years, because 4 times these 6 hours should be remained. Then only we will get an extra day. Then only we will get a leap year. Okay. Now, how we will know? Every time we can't go and check a calendar to know whether the given year is a leap year or not. For example, I'm asking whether 2019 was a leap year or what. How we will check? For that, one shortcut way is there. One shortcut way is there. I'll show you that. When you get an year, you have to check the last 2 digits of the year. Here, what are the last 2 digits? So from 19. 19 is the last 2 digit.
19.
Lysel, please keep your audio muted because some disturbance are coming. Otherwise,
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
I already shared. Dear children, can you all see the screen?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This
Ma'am,
19
page
is
number.
the last 2 digits of the year.
Ma'am, page number.
No page number. You don't want to open your book. You don't want to open your book, my dear children. Okay. So, you have to check whether 19 is a multiple of 4. Who all can say multiples of 4? Those who know, please raise your hand. Don't need to say anything. Just raise your hand. Those who can say multiples of 4, others keep your audio muted. Yes, Sadhika, you can tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiples of 4.
4, 8.
Very good. 4, 8, 12,
12, 16,
20,
20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40.
Very good, very good. Not only 40, 44, 48, like that it goes. But till 40 we have studied the table.
Yes.
So you have to check whether these are the numbers coming as the last 2 digits of the given year. If the year ends with a 4 or 8 or 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48, like that, then the year is a leap year. Okay, then the year is a leap year.
Yeah.
So here, 19, whether it is coming in the table of 4. Anna, please. Whether 19 is coming in the table of 4.
No.
No. So we can say 19 is not a multiple of 4. 19 is not a multiple of 4. So what we can say 2019 is no.
Normally.
Not a leap year. It's an ordinary year. It's not a leap year. Okay, now what about the present year 2020? What are the last two digits of 2020? What are the last two digits? The number formed by last two digits is 20. 20 is coming in. 20 is coming in the table of 4.
No.
Yes. 5 4 20. So 20 is coming in the table of 4. So it is a 20 is a multiple of 4. So it is a leap year. Have you understood now? We have to check. We have to check the last two digits of the year. Whether it is a multiple of 4. Whether it is coming in the table of 4. Then it is a leap year. So everybody, in a leap year, February has how many days? February has how many days in a leap year?
29 days.
29. Okay. Now everybody open your workbook. Page number 6. Page number 6. Page number 6. Daros, please read the question. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am. Find the leap year in the following years.
Which are the years?
2013, 2016, 2019, 2022.
Yes. Now, Daros can mute your audio. Now, everybody, please check whether the given years, which all years are leap year from the given years. What do you want to do? You have to check the last two digits, of the number formed by the last two digits of the year, and check whether it is coming in the table of 4. If it is coming in the table of 4, it is a leap year. If it is not coming in the table of 4, it's not a leap year. It's an ordinary year. So all of you check. Let me see. How many leap years are there? Which are the leap years from the given year? Check in the, you can do the calculations in the rough book. Whether it is coming in the as a whether it is a multiple of 4 or what. To check that, you can use your rough book or maths notebook. Page number 6. Everybody should check each month. Yes, Siddharth, please unmute.
2060.
2030 is a leap year?
No.
Why? 2030 is not a leap year. Why? Tell me the reason.
It is not in the multiplication of 4.
13 is not in the multiplication table of 4. 30 is not a multiple of 4. So 2013 is not a leap year.
Yeah.
Then 2016,
Yes.
16 is there in the table of 4. So
Four.
16 is a leap year.
Yeah.
What about 2019?
No.
19 is not a multiple of 4. So 2019 is not a leap year.
Leap
What
year.
about 2022?
No.
22 is not coming in the table of 4. So 22 is not a
Leap
leap
year.
year. So my dear children, write the answer like this. 2016 is a leap year. Other years are not leap years. Okay. Why? 4 into 4 equal to 16. So 16 is a multiple of, exact multiple of 4. That you should write. Then say multiple of, now only write multiple of 4. Exact multiple and multiplies. You will get confused. So only write multiple of 4 now for the time being. So 2016 is a leap year. Is an exact, otherwise write not only exact multiple of 4.
Leap year.
Okay. Now have you all completed?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Now next question.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Only 2 sentences.
We have finished.
Anyway, Yashika, read next question. Others, please keep your audio muted.
Okay.
Everybody except Yashika, everybody keep your audio muted. Yashika, please read the 22nd question. Read fast. Question number 22, dear.
Aditya
Hmm.
was
Hmm. Hmm.
on
Hmm.
29th
Hmm.
February
Hmm.
2000. He
Hmm.
celebrate
Hmm. Celebrates
his
Mm.
birthday.
Mm.
Once
Mm.
in
Mm.
4
Mm.
years.
Mm.
Why?
Why? Yes. So, when is Aditya's birthday? When is Aditya's birthday?
29th February. 29.
Yes.
Not finished.
29.
My birthday is 32.
Yes, dear. Who's not completed? I'll
Ma'am,
send you the
not
WhatsApp as
finished.
well. Who all didn't complete? Who all want to complete? Please raise your hand. The previous question. Ah, Parthasarathi. Advait. Okay, okay. Once more I'll share. Please wait. So before that,
22 I want to complete.
22nd I didn't write answer, dear.
21 is completed.
So Aditya's birthday is on 29th February 2000. What is the last two digits, the number formed by last two digits of 2000? What are the last two digits for 2000?
0.
0, 0. My dear children, 0 is a multiple of every number. Okay, it's a multiple of 4, it's a multiple of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever may be the number, 0 is a multiple of all those numbers. Why? When we multiply by 0 by a number with a number, you'll get 0 itself. So 0 is a multiple of every number. So 0 is a multiple of 4 also. So it is a leap year. Otherwise also there it is given 29th February. When February has 29 days in
leap
leap year only, February has 29 days. So this Aditya's birthday is in leap year. Leap year comes once in 4 years. That I have told you. Why?
Yes.
This 6 hours extra 4 times. If we repeated only, we will get 24 hours. Then only we will get an extra day. Then only we will get a leap year. So the leap year comes once in 4 years. So Aditya can celebrate his birthday only in once in 4 years. So Aditya's birthday is in leap year. Leap year comes only once in 4 years. One time within 4 years, only one time it will come. Once in 4 years. So Aditya can celebrate his birthday once in 4 years. Am I clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
No doubts? So now I am sharing the screen. Those who didn't complete the previous question also, you can complete now. Others, those who have completed, start writing this one. The year, Y-E-A-R, year, 2000 is a leap year. Hence, February has 29 days in this year. In this year. A leap year occurs. A leap year occurs once in 4 years. Once in 4 years. So, Aditya celebrates his birthday only once in 4 years.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, those who finished, mute your audio and sit.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you can send it in the WhatsApp also.
I will send it in the WhatsApp, but you have to complete now. You have time. 3 more minutes are there. You can write here, so 2016 is a leap year. So my dear children, now anybody is there remaining to complete, I will send in the WhatsApp as well.
No, ma'am. I can't see the board.
Okay, I will send in the WhatsApp because time is up. So
Ma'am,
thank you,
I
my dear
finished.
children.
Thank you. Thank you.